killer, man. I know that you're wrong, but you don't really understand. You wanna be scary, wanna freak her out, and knock on her door and put the gun in your own mouth. Let her try and stop you, it doesn't work. Turn so she can see and make the back of your head squirt. Before you go and come in, do us all a favor. You should try suicide. If you're gonna come in, spare us all the drama. You should try suicide. Hey there, killer, where you been? Plotting out the murder on the perfect 10. Wanna make it scary on her, I assume. Break in her house and hang yourself in her bedroom. Hey there, killer, you're unstoppable. Out of control, and yo, she's irresistible. Go to her job and drink some gasoline. Swallow a match and show her just what she means to ya. Before you go and come in, do us all a favor.